In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture into a Canva template, a simple process that should take you around 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps, ensuring your design is exactly how you envision it. First off, you'll need to open your Canva template. This is the canvas where you'll be working your magic, so go ahead and locate the design you want to enhance with your picture. Once you've opened your template, take a good look at the layout and envision where you want your picture to go. This initial planning will help you position your image perfectly as we move forward. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of Canva's interface. You'll see a tab labeled Uploads. Click on this. This section is where you can manage all the images that you want to pop into your design. Once you're in the Uploads area, you'll want to hit Upload Media. A window will appear, prompting you to select a file. Here, you get to choose your image from your computer or mobile device. Pick the picture that suits your design theme best, and wait for it to upload fully. Now that your image is uploaded, you have 2 easy ways to add it to your canvas. You can either drag the image from the Upload section directly onto your template, or simply click on it. Both methods are straightforward and will instantly place your image onto the canvas. Once your picture is on your canvas, we can fine-tune its size and location. To resize or move the picture, click on the image itself. You'll notice little circles, known as handles, appear at the corners and sides. Click and drag these handles to adjust the image's size, bigger or smaller, whatever works best for your layout. If the image isn't quite where you want it, you can click and drag it to the perfect spot. With the image in place, let's add some finishing touches. The toolbar at the top of Canva's interface offers various customization options. You can play around with filters to change the mood of your image, tweak the transparency to blend it subtly with other elements, or even crop parts of the image for a more precise fit. Spend a little time here to experiment with these settings until your picture seamlessly integrates into your design. And there you have it, a complete guide to inserting a picture into a Canva template in 5 short minutes. By now, your image should be precisely positioned, sized, and styled to enhance your design beautifully. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!